मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन के फ्लोर लीडर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने नौजवानों से सियासत में मुतहर्रिक किरदार अदा करने की अपील की। अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी की नौजवानों को सियासत में शामिल होने की अपील। उन्होंने कहा कि जब मैं सियासत में आया था तो मुत्तहिदा आंध्र प्रदेश का बजट 32,000 करोड़ था और आज तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश का बजट 6 लाख करोड़ तक पहुंच चुका है। ये सियासतदानों की कामयाबी और तरक्की की अलामत है।
जब ऐसा बाजार हम बाहर जाते हैं सर, कहीं दावत में जाते हैं, सब जने शायद हम पावर में हैं, इसलिए पीपल शो द रेस्पेक्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, बट वी आल्सो हियर दैट अरे पॉलिटिशियंस, पॉलिटिक्स वी डोंट वांट टू, अरे नो वे पॉलिटिशियंस, I mean, I don't know why, but people do not have so much of regard or respect for the politician, or if they are respected, it's only because of the power which they are holding. I would like to say that to the people who say that, what are the politicians doing? This is what is the politicians doing. Like I am standing here from last 26 years, sir. Right from 32,000, we have grown to 6,27,324. This is the wonderful work that all the politicians, all the ruling parties, all the leaders of the opposition, all the floor leaders have contributed to the progress and development of the state, and this is why we are standing here. This is what we politicians, and with this I would also like to appeal to all the youngsters to kindly join politics. We need educated people, we need learned people, so that the state can go forward more and progress more. More learned people can come. If this, if one feels that we leaders are not that good enough and not doing the good enough work, I would say that yes, please come, take our chairs and take our place and lead the state towards progress and lead the state towards going further ahead, sir.